Hello, top people. Nivi is back with her podcast. I would like to express vulnerability today. There will be many people who will feel jealous of you. They will always try to put you down and will find reasons to make you down. There will be people who show hatred for your growth. There will be people who try to hurt you with their actions. I'm just letting you know that yes, we feel sad, we feel low, we feel worried for all the sufferings which we had in personal. But don't ever lose your self-worth for anyone. You are important. Yes, the one who is listening to this podcast, you, the growing you is very important. No person is going to be in your life and make you happy all the time, right? But you can make yourself happy all the time. You never know your self-worth, but trust me, your own self-worth is very, very precious. Don't fall into some other distractions which makes your life harder. As teenage, we should always be careful and we should make ourselves strong every single day, because there will be many people around us who always try to put us down. So just be strong on your part and live life happily, as it only matters at the end. You also have many precious things to do and develop at this teenage. You have many dreams to come true. You have many ways to get success in your life. You have many ways to be happy with little moments. You have many ways to look at your growth and try to grow every single day. So just remember that when you appear weaker to this world, they will make you even more weaker. But when you appear stronger to this world, the world will shut its mouth and will make us to live our own life happily. That is what we all need. And yes, these all are very hard. Sometimes it is really hard to be happy all the time, to be best all the time. But what matters is trying. Trying to live happily and trying to live stronger. That's all matters at the end. Because when you look back and see all your tryings, you will get to know how the present you have become stronger in every moment. Never let the shine in you fade away for someone or something in your life. Be strong. It really matters, as I am experiencing it. And we should always never give up on our goals. I'm just letting you all know through my experiences. So without being strong, we can't do anything. I just believe in it a lot. So finally, let's not hope for the best. Let us be the best. Thank you.